Oil away is a compound composed of bioorganic ingredients that actually break down and eliminate petroleum-based stains in the pores of concrete. Once applied, the enzymes decompose and dissolve the stain, leaving a clean surface. Since oil away requires no water, there is no toxic runoff to damage our environment, which makes oil away an environmentally friendly product to humans, plants, and animals. Application is quick. One person can cover up to 6,000 feet per hour with oil away. Compare that to only 2,000 feet per hour with pressure washing. Oil away has been certified safe by 3 independent testing labs. An application of oil away is as easy as pushing a broom. The basic tools needed to apply oil away are as simple as a drop spreader with nubs on a bar, a wire brush, and a flag-tip fine bristle broom. Using oil away, we're going to demonstrate how to clean 3 different size parking spaces. First one, approximately 4 feet square. Next one, a 4-foot wide strip down the center of the space. And the last space, we'll clean from line to line all the way down the length of the space. Oil away is supplied in convenient 40-pound containers, thus allowing it to be poured directly into a spreader very easily. Use of the spreader is the most effective way to get the proper amount of oil away down without wasting product. If the spreader isn't available though, oil away can be easily applied with an even sprinkle by hand. For spreader use about 20 pounds, fill the spreader about halfway. Starting with the center of the drip zone, or where the oil stain is, apply oil away using the spreader. Going up and down the center of the area to be cleaned. The average coverage is 150 to 175 square feet per pound, which means you can clean about 4 4-foot square spaces per pound, or 2 4-foot by 10-foot strips per pound, or 1 complete parking space with only a pound of oil away. Once you've evenly applied oil away, use a broom to spread it lengthwise, using large circular motions. Then continue to spread with simple cross strokes of the broom. Immediately, you will notice white spots forming. This shows that oil away is already at work, eating away oil as soon as contact is made. Now we continue using the broom to spread the product in long circular strips as before. Notice that the brush angle should be about 45 degrees with light pressure for best results. Since oil away is a cleaner and not an absorbent, once oil away is evenly applied, you're finished. You do not need to rinse up, wipe off, or wipe up. Here are 2 examples of heavy oil stain removal. Using a wire brush, scrub in a back and forth motion and sweep away top buildup so that oil away can get down into the pores of the concrete. That's where the heaviest stains actually occur. This allows oil away to work itself deep into the stain. Here you can see a wet spot. Apply oil away over this area directly using the drop spreader. Next, take the fine bristle broom and spread down the center of the stain using a circular motion. If extreme heavy buildup is present, our liquid blue product should be used prior to the application of oil away. This is the wet stain we went over earlier. Take a wire brush and scrub off the loose oil, and apply another round of oil away. Spread back and forth with a broom and sweep off the excess. All of your oil stains should be white or turning white at this point. If you have a dark or wet spot that shows through, just rub it off and apply a little more oil away until it turns white. For a larger application like a gas station or a drive-through, using the spreader, start in the center of the oil stain or drip zone, spread lengthwise, and then in a circular motion, work your way across the stain. Remember, oil away is a time-driven process. The longer it stays on, the better it works. We can now see the absolute power of oil away. No further washing, sweeping, or manipulation of any type is necessary.